Hi! In front of me is REALME C25Y, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this smartphone. Start by opening clock. Now choose alarm at the bottom left corner here and tap on this plus icon. Finally set up an hour, and when you're ready choose OK. Then click on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and tap on label. Over here you need to label your alarm however you wish to and save it by tapping on OK. Then click on repeat and select days of the week. I will go with Fridays only. After that you need to select this bell icon here, tap on dismiss and pick one of those melodies as the alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back. But you can also just add new and pick music from your device by clicking at the top left corner, selecting one of those sources and clicking at the chosen song. Then go back and tap on this icon over here. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it, click on this icon under the switcher and tap on delete icon at the bottom left corner of your alarm. If you wish to adjust even more alarm settings, like volume of it, click on those three dots at the top right corner, select settings and adjust all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!